Why was Anpanman left out? Nintendo restricted unique cartridge shapes in 1988 to 1990. Many games of that time were made on Nintendo lines with standard cartridges. But in 1992, the restriction was lifted. Yet only Anpanman was not allowed to use Bandai's mold.
No.
In the game industry, did he have only love and courage his friends? Opening. Gold plating is peeling. Copper is showing.
Mercury.
Isopropyl. Contact cleaner. Nylon buff. Magic powder.
Oh, give more me.
Soldering iron. Make solder flow easier. Flux. Solder sucker. Fracture. Match polarity. Zombie fluid. No more Gen Z tears. Refill. Hold the neck. Dropper. Gen Z tears. By adding them, you can coat thinly. They evaporate while curing. Solder resist is peeling. Copper is exposed on top. Coat with zombie fluid. To block air. Strong UV light. Harden now.
Catch coach.
The part with copper showing is now coated. It will not rust easily. Magic liquid, protect the contacts from rust. 1992. Delay plastic yellowing. Go to the future.
Perfect body.